planner AI agent, and we can convert it into agentic AI also. But due to some API keys for different services like booking, hotel, and all this thing, I have some limitations for in test basis. But here I have created simple uh, travel planner agent with help of n8n. So suppose I will give demonstration to you here. Here suppose I have give I want to travel Delhi. Give me best plan dates between 20 May 2025 to 30 May 2025. So it will be give me such like of output. We will show this is execution of the year. We have integrated AI agent and some APIs. It is executing, and in here chart it is generating. So it is executed, and now we will see what output is generated. Yeah. So this agent give me the Delhi travel plan May 2030 24 weather node and weather node, sorry. May in Delhi it is very hot it temperature typically means it give weather information also. Meanwhile I have keep only minimum APIs. Uh, so day one, oh it give day wise also. So arrival and seating, arrival in Delhi, check into hotel, evening visit Connaught Place for gentle introduction to the city. Dinner, try North Indian cuisine restaurant like, oh, it give also restaurant recommendation or names also. Night early rest in the recover from travel. Then old Delhi heritage. Oh, it give amazing output with minimum APIs. I have used only minimum APIs, whatever I have. And day three, day four, day six, day seven, day eight, then shopping day, departure first server shopping depending on flight time, departure from Delhi, accommodation suggestions. He give the hotel name, transportation tips also he has given to me. Oh, amazing. Oh, really. Then practical tip, drink only one bottle water, carry oral rehydration salt during nation, local SIM card for easy navigation. Okay. So guys, it is very beautiful AI travel planner AI I have created with help of n8n. Really, I think in future everyone can be migrated this such type of agentic AI. Now the SaaS will be dead in next future years. Some future upcoming years, software as a service it will be ended. Thank you.